If customers are hitting voicemail, getting stuck in the wrong department, or repeating themselves, it's not a people problem. It's the features or the lack of them. I'm Mark Reynolds with Mynians. This is your quick, no-fluff guide to the business phone system features that actually move the needle, and how to choose the right plan starting at $17.95 per line. Auto Attendant is the front door. It answers fast, routes correctly, and keeps callers from bouncing. You want multi-level menus, time-based routing, holiday messages, and dial by name, so callers land where they need to land the first time. Next, routing, forwarding, hunt groups, queues, and call parking. This is how you stop missed calls, reduce hold time, and keep coverage when someone is out sick or your team is split across locations. HD voice makes you sound sharp. Video meetings and screen sharing keep teams aligned without bouncing between apps. If you're remote or hybrid, this is baseline, not a bonus. Call recording is for training, quality control, and settling he said/she said moments. It helps new hires ramp faster, helps managers coach better, and helps your team protect the business. Mobile and desktop apps let you answer calls anywhere without showing your personal number. You get one business identity across desk phone, laptop, and mobile, with voicemail to email and messaging in one place. CRM integration is the cheat code. Screen pop, automatic logging, and cleaner follow-ups. Sales moves faster when reps aren't typing notes after every call. Here's how setup works. Step 1. Network check. We test bandwidth, tune QoS, and make sure voice stays clean even when the office is busy. Step 2. Configuration. We build your menus, routing rules, users, permissions, and integrations. Step 3. Training. Admin training, team training, and quick guides so your staff actually uses the features you're paying for. If you just need rock-solid calling with the essentials, start with Essential. If you want auto attendant and call recording baked in, Professional is the sweet spot. If you need compliance, tighter security, and priority support, go Enterprise. Want a quick recommendation based on your team size and call flow? Click View Pricing or get help. I'll point you to the best fit setup and make sure your features match how your business actually runs.